ebuani binya ba o yam nko ade a se udidi yo unidi yo ubenya osano bi so ya abofra even 3 years 5 years na bi ba o yam a sa na beba wanyini 70 80 years ebetumi aba o yam eno nti dimpa for de yetu enwasi wo se de eya ubia no a ebi kra no ana wo no unim se ye stomach ulcer na eya wo na meboboso eniama e kire se stomach ulcer ha adwe no yetie enua wi a yerefa atoa so
ba men kwa homa no so. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Me ba cho uko dimpa na uko dimpa free dimpa ba ye no dia na si o abrabom.
Oh, okay, me that's it. Me pa cho Adea me de ko na stomach ulcer. Me expensive food poisoning. And I ekwe na me ulcer. Enti me ko na fast na ahodi nim kwa ba si ade e ko na dom. Far better. Me improve pa.
Na is see ano niam bia na di unya bebre na so atekra.
Swati kra. First name to mean that me dig na me ya I don't see anything like that.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, better say. Doc.
Yo wadent no me peke symptoms say obi also ba obi yam na onimu a niema ebetumi adedi apart from say na yam betumi aya na ya no ebetumi ama ne chest pains ebetumi aba ebetumi ama obi achi aya na ya nipa bebre na chi ya na ya ma wakoye test bebre wo miamia bebre yehu ade kro yehu hwe wo na chi ho but what tip pains no ho and chi nerves na ya na ya no atimi basa your stomach ulcer na critical problems no owo nso a o check ni BP a o ye okay e wakotwa ECG wa ye echo bibia kire se na koma ni problem but what is na koma no man challenges bi etimi basa stomach ulcer na ede sa ha no eba and the doctor bia onim de no se o complain wa koma na o ye ECG ni echo na still ohun hwe na o da so complain o be ka se ma yenye endoscopy ana yenye bibia de hwe se stomach ulcer wo ho a eno di se obu na ya wo ya wachi ya wo ya obu okra mpo a etimi kwa se affect akoma na akoma no dwumadie ni nkoyi a na afei oxygen ekotrenum na esote a na oti ahase ya wo ya ne ani subirie bi eba ne nyina ye no man ketenkete a stomach ulcer etumi kofa ba because on check no na onye ho adwuma edeba na obi so wa na abewie ni se ofe ontumi na aya ahomete pa se ka ulcer na manya na mi ntumi na senya ensunso aso wa koma so na afi moja ne oxygen ntumi nko otirimu yi a de bekwa kwa wi aya ni subire ni na wontumi na eno ti na ya ka se hwehwe dimpa ya kira kwa ye okumase di chamso old health insurance building no mu ugina airport runabout afọ ni kira manshia road na busa old health insurance and na say dimpa junction building no ya trust Willas Towers enumu ne yewo na oben a de say wo ye ne say obefa your numbers no na watumi afre epapi no say oben na say unya numbers na 0245
0245
11
84 34
0245 11 84 34 na 0246 744 0246 744 ansa na me de mano baba wie no de me pesa me ka bio ne se dimpa ade ba ko e bata en ho se ye ma wo ma emeboka antunguda ade ba ko nipa obi oni wo baba dimpa so ya obeka se me ba ye no matua sika bi ne matua to agu nipa adi adanse over 100 ye sha se ye kasa wa ha no obi ani wa kasa asam ne se me ba ho no me betua sika to agu de wo be ye bia sika bia wo betua bia be make sure se eso be ba mfa so ama wani age eno di se wuti wachi obo untumi na wani su briu na se unhunu ade kra hwehwe dimpa kira kwan ne hwehwem na ye stomach ulcer ada no a sesa be ba na emre bi achi obenya asomdwe udidi na hyehye okon ho a na ntimi digest a ye stomach ulcer na ye sa na ye be ye ho adwuma ama asomdwe aba finally me see you Kumasi, di chanso. Old health insurance have prosiding.
Okay.
The numbers for the last time 0245 11 84 34 0245 11 84 34 and 0246 744 744 0246 744 744 so wa chiri pa na untumi ma yetumi tie wasem na ya package na ya deliver to your doorstep.
Okay.
Nyame enhira opa.
Onyame enka wo so ho pa. Abonon so apa homit aduonum nkron no wotwe pepepepepepepe. Anche bia mene eye konfano chisi obatwe komo na ansana no. You need to relax and enjoy the interview, and you need a better television to do that. Now, the obetumi anya home appliance and a TV are probably to adjucho ho. And the board that former promotion, Guswa Christmas promotion. Canada Kwane Timise promotion as somewhere June cra for Christmas. What did Nemusa they are copying December? Canada cra say I see you where the Munyana Mufa TV sin kobo boko fanocho. Okay. Oya mo fan kobo. Ano pay me my request. Na Canada me wodi no see match na da ko match no. Eda ya Canada da ko meso mu se twe.
Me dey enuafo mpanifo me.
Me ni me no say me ka o temi ntina me ka che no. So me chewa Canada. Canada is as that ye di kobo.
Ama me fa konya we so na me fan check se pa mo biara nyame aye na dum na adepa fefefe se a chene na otie Sompa TV. Or Sompa TV, so Nyame Yadum na yetie Sompa FM 93.1. Kennedy digital satellite. O man say this is so those kan o man Kennedy nko a na promote this shit me shas somewhere July. Ye promo na ye deba o man Nyame sha papa no asa na meto asa me fa konya me bomb boss about Mr. Kennedy champion. Mr. Kennedy nyama Ghana ha no home appliances boarding. O ma se me no kase se o ma upe TV adwosuo pa wo se upe TV ye papa na ne boafo ato a o ma Kennedy digital sell share o sa Kennedy ho a o ma price ID be 2 grand se o ba Kennedy aso ya ebo se ne die TV gino o sa Kennedy ho a o ma wunnya bi obi bia I say Kennedy share director bia obi a no pay you chop so onyame show no nton kwanem o man mesra o ye ne so ye nya akwanya ye hwe television no Kennedy digital sell numbers the good screen as fe no the person fe bia no mesro ni di ne ho ba se kwan so fa ne ni kita ho ope home appliances ato a o ma Christmas never no baby I wish bia no also feel usesi ofi also feel ye kama also feel ye nije o ma because Christmas ba ni pe ba be kwa visit amanfo o mo bi ba ofi na se TV kwa mo ho o ma to da ye hyenkwan waiting a Kennedy digital satellite ya ba se TVs fridges air conditions microwaves kettles irons blenders animal way friend home appliances super woofers there friend on the wall for open standing fan open rechargeable fan open ceiling fans open nema way ya Kennedy ashare no ma onim say enipa bi o ma be koso obrabo mo ma say no kwadi way back Kennedy digital satellite yes ye tonton home appliances yes ye tonton TVs o ma ye de no krankwan ne di edwa enti no da me da ta di nkomo busa say manager na am for ba ha beto ne ma say na me da ta no kwadi di dwantia because who did na say no krani ma obi kwa won sa ma o ma tie me na me de price beto dwa me say Kennedy digital satellite aso ye pe na o ba o pe television o beto no just 870 Ghana cedi. No matter me, o ma betna Sompa TV ne Sompa FM, a big station like this. Na me the price at 2 nipa no ba Kennedy so e born ntisa. O ma besa be biem. O ma enti na Kennedy se ye de no kwaredie na ye juma no. Ye se o ba so ho no ma ye de no kre. Ye se e born 870 Ghana. Ya betna Sompa le da tuda. TV adwoso e Kennedy. O ba no Sompa to me pe TV the 8.7 ni was e bi no. The business won ni no kre no. O ma na onim ewiase so ye we abrabo ayebo ya ye kwa yenim ya ye kwa ye ba o man so wo roba bi ni nipa fa ni die ma wo hwe onko biem because ade ye owiase pan se nipa bebu onimtia me sere Ghana mani asantuma ni wiase man nyina se ya so ne tie me simedu amede ka say tie me 10 minutes amede ka say yiwasum ne tie me nsem ame ba beken so ba Kennedy so ya o man nipa ye fe almost sales personal assistant ya wo Kennedy aso no mo be nya dade bis pense say abusa sem paso de na ope ye nya wo den oman ya ye hwo nipa customers because oman me ko ba ha ni say beta fache e bi kwa nipa fa ndi me obi kwa ka me kwa ka boss paso sem pa de bia me ko bi adan me ko ko e se ne ko si ye oman me ba ha ni die ne ho ba se ni nsema e koso bibia e comment oman de bia me ba so pa me de ni die ne ba Saint Kennedy so ba ya so ye ho a nipa e be show kama be nya bo tra ho che manche mu nyamfo a omu nya bo tre wo nipa ho ankasa ye nyojo de ntia wo ba Kennedy aso e wo so pepe TV ato wo so pepe fridge ato wo pepe air condition wo pepe micro pepe kettle wo pepe iron wo pepe blender o ma wo pepe fufu pond machine de ye adwuma o ma wo ba ye je wo ba ne so mu ne nya bo tre ne luso ne busa wo nsemu ne nya bo tre ma wo tena se na de wo pe no o man ye de ma wo so dwe so wo wi a ne price no ne efe na ne boofo no o ma ni nyina e Kennedy aso na obenya no o ma tie bi no kura di dwanti enti de ti betena Sompa say ye ba ne aka cha say the whole Ghana so super TV part also per fridge part also per air condition part also per kettle also per micro also per iron per blender per fufu pounding machine per meko machine per brew machine dia koye adwuma o ma ensa Kennedy ho because eniema we Kennedy bag Ghana ha no o ma ena ma ne ma we boyfo o ma na baby abeko bia ta 20 television unnan 870 da Kennedy aso ye oba ye say ye bon 870 Ghana en konkoto ne 1001 na say 1000 Ghana si dabi is o mani mo ye de nti so kwesika na wo de to ade make sure say ade a wo to na ade ye papa na ne wofo na obenya so mfaso o ma ye telephone number say di tu baby ya wo bia no eni de obaso kwa so freye nkita hodie bia person ne di wo pe fupande machine bi ye fama ne wo pe meko machine bi ye fama ne wo pe television so pe fridge so pe air conditions o ma se ko bi ni so ade hu pa ne se obaso bi no shop yo na dun bia do so he for no be wo se machine papa o ma e Kennedy aso ye eno ye yibi wo pe 7 kg wo pe 10 kg wo pe 12 kg wo pe de wo pe top loader wo pe front loader ya o ma e papa na ne bo fo o ma e Kennedy aso ye o ma he wura be wi ase Mr. Kennedy say Saint ye air condition boyfo enko baby enkoto air condition 3008 enko baby enkoto no 4000 Ghana cedi Mr. Kennedy digital satellite or say air condition you be sharp so be etimi to be into ba Kennedy aso ya wo pe 1.5 horsepower o my only 2950 Ghana cedi o ma benya bi ye number say 0244 385 128 0244 385 128 o we ase ade ye we ase pa ne se wo bobra na o man obra na bisi basa nemu so wo bobra so ku adwuma na wo ya utumi se ampa utimi bobra ni bi ye kwa utimi to ukumi ko bi ye to ade utimi to bi eti Mr. Kennedy so wo TV ne fridges boy fu nemu me ye sika ne be hia ne de be to sa ne ma wi enti ye sa de adwuma be tato o ma ye adwuma be nie ye de fufu pounding machine aba one of the big time businesses here Ghana ha o ma say Ghana ha no santimani wi asman ye mfa fufu de ni agro enti Kennedy say e say ahode ko de be fufu ne ni ho o man da be no be for the tanya poto we dey chi de Mr. Kennedy say ye the blenders and the meko machines ni paper machines ye dey aba ya ye se brand be to bi na fa ya mo meko when ye big time business into also per duma ye no kwesika me mo one of the booming business Ghana we Ghana say ye fufu pounding machine business be to bi na fa ko ye adwuma be to meko machine bi na fa ko ye adwuma at a lower price normal promotion start we ni and them say Christmas ni Mr. Kennedy say obetete niam ne so nem fufu pounding machine business ni de he say ekoso nemum say wunya hode na otimi to fufu ponde machine mienu o ma ebo no de tia na tie ye ntu bo nim fufu lefu o pe fufu ponde machine pa we benya papa no Kennedy so ye no ma o be to fufu ponde machine mienu a ye de blender kese ne de appeal so saje na fa kone Christmas wo ye mekwa wo de yam I just say Kennedy so ye o ma fridge no ya start to bo no so table top fridge maybe we could be on 1500 oba Kennedy digital seller so ya o ma ye shine bonus so about 1250 Ghana cedi ye mpe we de ne pe o ma TV kese ne bo ti na no me bi ba ha a double screen television with a high definition ya o ma TV no do saboma empire ye me ni dia kwa no o ma TV o ma ye shine so 65 no o ma from 10,500 ye shine so about 7,900 Ghana cedi o to idu fa kese ne dia pay so fa coffee ne fa ko bonyum o ma numbers ne sa di tu bia wo bia no fa number no we ya buy dwuma ni sika for control and accountant department wo pe Kennedy nyema ni bia wo bitime ma frɛ ni wodi nkita ho no be fa ni mani nyina kofie no bia ya tete ne kakra nemom ne kwa bia di nti obi asora Kennedy aso no bia fa ne ntie because wo be to mrantie mu nyafo be show kama eni di ne ho ba se kwa so no bro kwa so na wo bia ya sa de nyema ne bo ofo ya sa dia pay wo so mesre home appliance wo bo tirima enko ba bibia wo pe blender ato wo pe iron ato wo pe kettle ato wo pe stabilizer ato wo pe ceiling fan ato wo pe fridges ato wo pe air conditioner ato as low as 2,950 Ghana cedi wo benya air conditioning as low as 870 Ghana cedi wo benya a TV papa part 32 inches ahwe o man as low as 1,499 Ghana cedi o man wo benya table top double door fridge ato mesre numbers ni to jo bia wo bia no nyaso ne tie ne fa telephone number no ne hu hie ne nkita ho o man numbers ni ye 0244 385 128 o man 14 inches aba everybody say for 1,599 pay o man 43 inches smart and so be hon just 2,199 o sa Kennedy ho o man ne bone bed o bi so pe Kennedy a o man ye wadum family plaza building no first floor en California na wo wager old barrier kokoro bi Johnson traffic na say mesraw patase fonso wa dom house Kennedy Junction o man ni die ni obuo no kra na Kennedy didi duma ntuba so anya ma ne wo fo de Kennedy ahye ho no o man numbers ni edi to the last hour ni sorry so numbers ni 0244 385 128 0244 385 128 o ma so home plans wa di ma company bi mu na
Kennedy Digital Satellite. Okay. All right. About on Sompa me to do our Sompa 93.1. Nah, because I no pay me ne. The chief executive officer come for a notch teaching hospital. Kani Gia Ubia Bejoso Bantuma Udu roundabout no so I know out chair with Sabonkum no alcohol no more. The honomono and our Obakwa. I are a demutin to mine, Wahanwana, and Penina or Ja Wananwa or Toto Niema and Nopawi and Numre, or we said day-to-day administration, day-to-day work. I do my phone in Asana say, or her say, yeah, the ghost Wabaha, or her say, it's plaster or her say MRI machine, yeah, Juma, or her say, will be Baba, yeah, dialysis or Tima, yeah. Doctor ni ye na juma se ne se nurse ni ye cleaner ye ne die security bibia no ono na ye de aso ano o me cha no pay the professor Adea Mensa o boni din Mozata ne ntahudin no obeje wo sonso asantema de she prekopa achese o call Prempe College because me kana budina suku akukọ na ma no ne Ghana hanom dia na chese ye nyankoga Professor Adea Mensa ena no pay Memma watching.
Yenya Omanhene
bibi aboko de
na metiase de bia me ka se echen obi de
osaso ye sofo ewo Power Chapel Worldwide papa Victor
o ma me deacon
awo ye deacon or your senior deacon. Let me qualify it as such. Yenin komo ano pay uko konfo anoche. Now you're Jumao. You did you made any share was no. What was your first inclination? And then about so about Confanochi.
Oh, my medase. Na Midika in Kase, you have paid your dues. Oh, any Nipa on your Muya Jumanina. I'm sure that this is something you hear every now and then. But I'm not saying it because Ubia can be. But Meka out of conviction. And I have seen what you have done with Sompa. Free feeder them Ebaha. And I think that you deserve commendation.
Thank you.
But given the understanding I have of what this job entails, I believe say a fair. Say Omo Muso Asning.
That's right.
A production team then kick out.
Right.
I didn't see I can see and so mom.
That's right.
And I'm saying the say oh and any part do na hu enti so bi nya enya ntiase bia ni susie mu no adwumne nyina no ene wo but I believe that they also deserve a lot of commendation
from the chief executive officer, general manager, obia o wadwuma bia
originally now saying come share adwuma 2nd of November as per letter a free president asye bye. But eventually I got to start on the 1st of December. And nyame boana November ya yewomi ekonawie ya. It would be exactly 1 year.
About December 1st.
Yes.
Now when you're 1 year.
Yes.
Ewo Confanoche.
Na
wow.
The friend say, "What's a me medical school or Care University?
Yes.
Confanoche. That's where I was trained.
Yeah.
Me a house job or me started my residency or and sana nyame madum. I'm school amarone eba. Until I had a very fair idea of the Nekoso or Confanoche.
Okay.
Indeed, me go school UK by me sa ba be year juma or Confanoche up until 2008. Minya appointment with the medical school.
That's right.
And subsequently I was assigned to the Faculty of Allied Health Sciences. Now I'm sure you are aware you any masem the man efa my appointment no and kasa na edipa kakra bi kasa efa ho so be kaya na ekoye se na nipa no kra no onye adwuma o hantie pe obi a oye adwuma I'm sure say okay because we don't want to now in fact there are two people who played very key roles so far as this appointment concerned. Of course, I'll always be grateful to the president because he's the appointing authority. And Mekai said I had a very short conversation with him. I thanked him. But Asenso Boakye. Yes. I owe
a lot of
gratitude to Confanoche to him. And then Justin Kudia,
Party General Secretary.
Right.
I told you I'm nice for me.
Yes. And Timida almost. Now, Mikaise, when the conversation started, with many of these things, Ufri baby and Mimi Free. I had worked in the university for 15 years, my child university for 15 years, and then I was being given this position around.
So
I feel back as I feel
1 month to grab a chair.
So na be kadi atwa so me 6th March 1975 on say nipa be
3 years me child 3 years basa
me kai 50 and then we
so me kai so ka chem say basa na we 2050 no boy o fa bi nka o de ye ni komo not just say
naturally there was a need for me to reach out to people, try and find out what their perspectives were in respect of taking up that job. In fact, a lot of people, in fact, everybody I consulted except my wife, your very good friend and
Mama,
sister. And Okache me say, everybody felt like no time way na Confanoche and then it was a good time to take an appointment. But my wife told me one thing. Was Yaw, it's difficult to shine in bright light.
It's difficult to shine in bright light. But when you are in darkness,
a little sparkle, and it was instructive.
Oh, Mama.
I decided that it was the direction to go. So I took it. It's been very challenging, but very rewarding. On the Confanoche, on the average, we see 1,000 patients every day.
1,000?
Yes.
On the average?
On the average. And yet inpatients or outpatients. Yes.
1,000 a day.
And our yearly average is around 365,000.
Ooh.
Well, 5,300 staff.
5,300 staff are more payroll.
Yes. About 1,200 doctors, 2,300 nurses. I have about 150 pharmacists and pharmacy technicians. I have about 110 laboratory scientists and some accountants, orderlies.
So we are talking in the neighborhood of more than 10,000.
No, 5,300.
5,300.
Right.
Yeah. And almost
yes. But quite apart from that, it is also important for us to note. So of the 16 regions in Ghana, Confanoche referrals from 12 out of the 16.
A man time do me no.
Right.
And I did. Man time do me no.
Yes. Ambulances 10 A2 and there. Say free hospital be. Say free fee be mo. Emu 6 Echo 7.
Eba Confanoche.
Intimika say at the media performance review, the National Ambulance Service was complaining. Say Omoba Confanoche, Omo Cheche hospital be Omo Kubia. It was important for me to draw their attention to the fact that there's over 12 regions. Not only that, whereas Kolibu may have the luxury of turning patients away because of emergency are you full without fearing too much. Said Bibi a patient. No. At Confanoche, when you turn patients away because your emergency is full, the whole can say sebi previous. And into when you have an ambulance show up,
a taxi show up,
all things being equal, you attend to the one in the taxi before I'll be attended to the person
in the ambulance, because it's believed say taxi no only I share not to send the ambulance
EMTs or emergency medical technicians so that has been the state of Komfanoche. In fact, our orange ward, Ura emergency ward, right?
Yeah.
So reception anymore no. A whole new ward. So patients are not supposed to be there.
But don't go out.
It was built for 12 in Ipadumye. Every morning I get served the bed state nichre emergency hall in Ipadodua at each of the wards.
Meba anopabia o me dey.
Yeah, any anopabia aba. We eba be through 8-1.
1 hour instructing.
55.
1 hour instructing.
It's a practice.
It's a practice.
You need to know what the state of your hospital is at every point in time. Say baby amete no. You be frɛ na ebusa o say you will be baha yes bed in your own kind of narrative.
You
need to be on top.
You need to be abreast with it.
Right. And as I sit here, Orange Ward now, make a choice say the original capacity.
The 12.
No. There are 43 patients now.
12.
Aye. And now enipa 44. Anyway. The previous day, nipa 42.
Just it's always been overflow.
The minimum number of patients as our Orange Ward now, yenya, in a day, from the 1st of December up until now, 34.
Whoa.
3 times.
Just to be why you man possible.
Into the nurses, the doctors, the people working their work under very harsh conditions. And now, you say nurse patient ratio. Nurse could be 6 patients and now 4 patients. Say I was only 12. Next year the 4 nurses now are 46, 52 now. A proportionate number of nurses in ma.
And also we have 46, exactly. 42 no.
That is the kind of condition under which my nurses and doctors are working. What is it? That's what it is. Yellow, a similar thing. It's meant for 18, 23, 25. Sir. Now, the hospital was built in 1954.
1954.
It started operations in 1955. In fact, when I entered Komfanoche, it was one of the shockers. I had always known that, but my worry was that it appeared that it had been like that and was deteriorating. Now, one of the challenges I'm in Nkahokra, there was a sharp divide between staff and management. The staff saw management as Omo baby,
and the staff not saw baby. I was coming to ask you about your attitude towards
as we speak. That divide
is gone.
It's gone.
How did you do it? I don't know. To me, yes.
I'm almost always on the floor every week, except in a few instances where I have to go for a meeting and I say to say a program way, and so
maybe I'm more planning it. Apart from that, you know,
ward the beer every week.
Ward says you're not supposed to be there.
Debbie. And yes, the moment when you're a leader and your only source of information the regular established sources of communication,
you lose it.
You are setting yourself up to fail. In most instances, I interact with the nurses on the floor, the doctors on the floor, the orderlies, and I find out from them what their experiences are. What is going on?
You are the CEO.
Yes.
You have public relations outfit.
Yes.
You have matrons, you are directors, nurse, director of pharmacy.
Yes, I. You will be setting yourself up to fail.
But why will see from?
Oh yes. And so before you come and give me a report, exactly.
To chantra.
Compare notes. What did I mention? There are people who don't like that. They think that I'm too accessible. They think that as how we answer so.
until who monka yes
Debbie.
anopa ebia A3 now we are
me set time am dey go
unkyerɛ sɛ wo ba
Debbie and I mean set day say me say adawe
say ukuada meba
no occur rounds Debbie. I have told my medical director, my director of nursing, my director of pharmacy, say it is a sin to stay in your office for more than 3 hours. Reason, you should maintain a physical presence in your operational area. Yes. Say obi yeah juma. No nim say the next minute
the penny bet me about
the attitude.
Yes,
when that goes on for a long time, it becomes a part of them.
And the director ni ho
my director of pharmacy Nancy the oil say occur in various pharmacies no occur an hour and that's 2 hours no my year juma uncle supervise
ono aso eco 7 no ni bi can it
no what you say every weekend and on holidays 2 directors are on duty and they maintain a physical presence in the hospital.
Holidays,
yes, you see, on holidays any weekends the hospital was virtually dead and Kofo was on bed 8 o'clock omomba ebi o omo see adwuma mo kra one Saturday me call round the whole hospital the hospital 7:45 8 o'clock we started call every ward and there were about 13 workers who were supposed to be at work at 8 at 9:30 no money home. Oh, I got all of them. Punitive measures have been taken against them. Oh yes, me ba confanoche. I'm not proud to say this, but the truth is that about 16 to 19 people have been suspended. 16 to 19. It be a nurses. It be a doctors.
Maybe I'm hold on. What suspended doctors?
Yes, 1 month without salary. There are instances, gentlemen, be meaning the car, sorry. This year, meaning no any papa atnas didi from the same boat by Akye.
Maybe one no power chapel.
Yes.
And I want to know the papa.
Yeah.
This means you are close for papa to eat in the same boat with.
Yes. 1 month suspension without salary.
What the amount of nipa?
Oh yes, what serve you?
I won't in the class. Sorry, I won't in the DD.
Yes. You serve you. Obi be me change, sir. I'm not again happy to say this, but he's before a disciplinary committee.
Same from Swana Baba.
Oh yes, you see, in this position, you lose friends, you lose relationships. Relationships will be
severe. They be sukra kasani.
Be strained in the and it's not because you wish that no. Because the whip has to be cracked, and in so doing you step on toes. And I keep telling my people, say I will step on your toes. It be inadvertent. But it is not done out of malice. And me poor macho when I meet them at staff debtors, every quarter there's a staff debtor. Every quarter.
Was that the case before?
Debbie. Every quarter we share union leaders. That was not the case before. And a feedback. Among country what we are not doing right. And for the first time I organized a forum for senior specialists and consultants who are major drivers so far as work at Confanoche here concerned. Senior specialists and consultants. Yes. HCI. So what their perspectives are so far as a friend is saying health delivery. It was the very first time any such thing has been organized.
And they were happy.
They were extremely happy. I'll read one of the statements that was sent to me by a senior specialist. I say, good morning, God's favorite CEO. I can't help expressing my excitement at the progress you are bringing to the hospital. Yesterday's meeting at Golden Bean made me feel special and valued as a senior specialist of the hospital. Please don't relent in the hard work. Kath will work again. I pray for more grace, for more exploits for you.
From a senior?
Yeah, a senior specialist or a head of a unit. May the back may sound really back on Central. I'll say. Big congratulations, Prof. Chief. Very excellently organized meeting. we are happy. And I really like the address. You really painted and advocated without any ambiguity about the role and the importance of the specialists and the consultants. I am very happy. It's a very happy day for me. CAT will work again. The spirit around you is excellent.
You see, there is one word that is cutting through. CAT will work again.
Yes.
Konfanochi beye
Aye.
which means to them Konfanochi was dead.
No correct. But unim, I believe that every chief executive officer Aba Konfanochi has
done his bit.
But unim, our energies are different.
Yeah.
The visions are
Yes.
different.
Yes.
And so on and so forth.
Yes.
Omaye de Akusi baby. I have the opportunity as the youngest CEO Konfanochi has ever had.
You are the youngest.
Oh yes. To take it up to
a certain
level. And I will be the last to castigate or talk down on the Obi. I cannot do that. The errors were different.
Oh yeah, then I would
The
show
dynamics
such
were different.
impartiality because many only make us say many staff be breeding komo.
Right.
Makachira almost say wow work on Fanochi team and pay. If you want to have a contribution, send the number. Send your message to me now. 0249 640 WhatsApp 0249 640 If you have any question also for your CEO, send it to me 0249 640 or send the brems here. Ebi otia wakana and some okanyina me de me manin twamunko. He is a brother to me way back many years, but adwuma ye no send your no so ma all ye ntino. So wa send bi kra pese obusa no a wo send the brems amebusa no via text or WhatsApp 0249 640 Now let's come back to
and also there are patients are more chronic, they are on medication for some chronic disease.
yes.
And to be more medication for 6 months, but 6 months in Fanina move 2 months. Not 2 months was but no budget. Not 2 months was but no budget. And we have about 350 patients
Of such patients.
Oma register now. Oma register for them. Omunro no instead of Omo hospital how be queue no. The medications are sent to them in their homes.
Hey,
Yes.
just say you're a diabetic patient.
Aye.
Also beginning
Ro.
Woman makra.
The Breno, any Ghana Post. We sent a proposal to Ghana Post. This is what we want to do. We had our patients register. Omanhene, before the end of this month. In fact, it has even started, but we will officially outdoor it before the beginning of next month. It is now possible for me to sit here and pay the hospital bill of a patient or Konfanochi.
Abraham Maho.
To go there, yes. Before I make Konfanochi, didn't see it.
Nebao.
It had not happened.
Ban say me yira awo.
Aye, and I will one cry.
And I me one cry. And I me juma ntimi ma Konfanochi.
Aye, said the ubetimi afa Uber and I said car amana kwa
Amana Kofana kono.
Ubetimi atia
Tibetime tia bills ni nyina. So it even keeps the crowd and the
no correct. Refill now they can say and they can be uncle. What it is that we have mapped our patients to pharmacists. And there are 20 patients mapped to a particular pharmacist. The pharmacist calls.
So but you won't say
yes. Inra enya available. You have a prescription. Say a service and Louis.
Name to
way just all kokoto because it be need Konfanochi.
Any yes.
And no any moment. Now Oba hospital public toilets now. Now person could use 50 pesos.
Oko Konfanochi nam kodunso.
50 pesos. All the diarrheal disease neba
Esa oya mutu a.
Oba utu 50 pesos. Now kono asa about 50 pesos.
As obe free one to about 10 cedis.
Wow, you be men munyam 40 so. Na obi out to 50 pesos. What did they mention that?
Today na why so nko. Matwem.
Oh yes. It is unconscionable.
Say obi a obeje aya. No kodunso aje se
we have had the opportunity to live in UK. I've lived in UK, schooled in UK. I've lived in Germany, schooled in Germany. I've lived in US for about 2-3 years. I have been to other places. And washrooms
Yeah, for free.
Yes. And yeah, visitor to the hospital, washroom. You use it.
And you see to it that the washroom are also kept.
Oh yes, I told the head of environmental. Say every day I'll use one of the 3 public washrooms.
To alcohol.
Kupa ene kohone busa. Omo ye adwuma wo eho no.
Say omo washroom to say.
There. Me ba ho. And onim of the 3 no nim dey me use. Bon.
Sompa FM.
Now I cannot say same of the washrooms on the main wards, main blocks. No, I'm sure that is what will bring us to the Ede.
Very good.
Opimso Eba.
Very good. Meaning say ye no ne ye major year ye be ko. Right. I'm so happy. Say I can associate myself with what is happening now. My oh man, I want to thank my CEO for the good work he's doing. And Gina Prempe, I pray for God's grace to carry him through. Dear Baku, Eddie Candy, I mean, him say be but all the voice by mean to me, and send a message. The number is 0249 640-993 0249-640-993. Just send the message and it will come through. Now, yeah, now let's get to the issue of Hill Confanochi.
Right.
Me utwamu o Confanochi na de wakan na wo hwe apart from ampani kofo emergency we see na I am modern. Virtually a lot of them are dilapidated, I will say so. And I'm say ENT. Otu say I am mono kakra.
Oh, say me
I already come back over pictures in the
doctor's flats.
Yes.
Video now me send there no. That's how I met it.
Me back where your doctor's flat? And I wait.
Give me a second.
Wait, no way. Confanochi.
Wait.
And that's what you're showing.
Yes.
Doctor's flat.
Yes. Yeah.
To wait on doctors in the team.
Yeah, that's how I met it.
Who go to Confanochi?
Yes. Incidentally, I lived in this block in 2022.
You sure that?
2022, as a house officer. Oh, Confanoche. If you 2022, basi bra you painty last year no. Na bibia painty da.
Mama ready your painting now. Mama ready the new one. Where your old one?
Right.
Na okay, bacho na are na paint who dey na.
Onim. 280 buckets of paint were gotten for free.
One now go pray.
Yes.
280 buckets
of paint. Bakubia about 1,100. What Confanochi had to pay a labor and his scaffolds I called the bar news paint company. On my 280 buckets of paint. There were others who came along here. ENT building. I'm sure I sent that to you as well.
I'm on videos about the any
that's how I met it. And I say and Ababe. And you see I leveraged on friendships, networks, relationships. Into news paint company, for example, Papa no name Prefus, wonderful. News paint company, Papa no, I had never met him, but we knew being a botanist. And I'm catching say Jack, this is the situation.
Yes, I do.
And also on your mobeka because or your distributor, and he said on your mobeka to Oma Meyimpa on the 1 block there. Obefa painting. There are 13 blocks. 12 blocks. 9. As we speak. Speak and span. You are painting a come. I can't 3. Mama, what did they mention now?
This is the new block.
Yes, this is it. I can't just say 5-star. Yes. This is it. Say can't just say a 5-star hotel crowd be here. Can
you know the any
Yes.
Makase Ghana.
And on my own.
Yeah, is about leadership.
Oman obi bebu say there's a Confanochi nyesika. It's a skada Confanochi nya. Na de no mutimi fan hwe omo. The truth is that retooling say equipment ne sa ne keka. The responsibility of central government.
Say MRIs I was see my from your machine we are say no.
The dada brabum services ye tonro
gauze plaster no.
It's the responsibility of the hospital to do that. Yeah, IGF since I've been there, our revenue base, I cost January to September last year, the total revenue in 85 million.
85 million Ghana cedis.
January to September this year, 136 million Ghana cedis.
Almost double.
Yes.
Almost double the revenue.
Yes.
How did it happen? Are they not
meanwhile, between 13th month salary, me buy there was an arrears free 2021.
Arrears say
2021. Doctors and Health Service Workers Union members were supposed to have been paid a 13th month salary.
13th month and then say
an allowance of a sort.
Oh, father say 12 months in a year. No, there's a 13th month. I had to say central for near Busa item 13 visa.
What I say, but I don't know what it is here. Say allowances in count.
Okay.
Basic salary no.
Yeah, they never be account. Okay.
Basically, that's what I have been paying. What I say, I got the permission of the board and increased the allowances to office holders, heads of units, and a friend is saying heads of directorates in Kekao. And ye be staff welfare. I got the board to approve an increase from 3,000 cedis a year to 4,000 cedis a year. It had been 3,000 for 11 years.
Oh, by all the 1,000 account.
Yes. At the staff deba, they told me, said this is what it is. I check, and then my board cost running in Kekao. Yeah, they call. What the mention I say?
Meanwhile, when you know what's our increasing
yes,
revenue,
I cost yes.
After paying all this,
find out from anybody who does supplies at Confanoche. Say a payment regime.
Now the bias is a Confanoche.
For the first 2-3 months, what used to happen? They say the award mobile contract award mobile. No much a cancel. And it's because more they come into and as we speak, people are clamoring.
Yes. Contract.
Find out from anybody who does supplies or Confanoche for the past 7-8 months. The payment schedule. To say. What I say?
Mama can kind messages, Kaka.
Mama, we also answer this. This has been possible because I consider myself the luckiest CEO. Do you know why? I have the support of the nurses. I have the support of the doctors. There's every kid out
there. Was something there. MPP NDC politics.
Go there and find out. There's no such thing as NDC MPP politics
anymore.
No. Go there and find out.
Now everybody feels part of Confanoche community.
Go there and find out. Hey, man, you know what? One of the things I thrive on as a CEO, the use of mystery shoppers. And so I get people coming in. So,
why my open door policy?
So, only nemu. Nene me koso nene nkeka. Obi anwene se. Oyeminia. Now, bibi. I get it in the raw form. Yes.
That's how Pimsoka said.
The attitude of the people has changed. The apathy and a form. Of course, if you be a mensa womb, and we haven't gotten to where I believe we can get to. But one question I asked them at the very first day, when I was asked about my vision, I told them I wanted to change the narrative about Confanoche. That's one. 2, I wanted them to answer this question. Say, if all the big hospitals, posh hospitals in Accra were in Kumasi, and you were unwell, now what the opportunity to choose which hospital I am found, will you choose Confanoche?
Say, we are nurse, we are doctor, we are Juma.
Confanoche.
Confanoche hospitals in our home. We are here. Yes,
not until we get 95% of our people choosing Confanoche. It means that there's something more.
You are failing.
Wrong. Yes, we are failing, and that is what we need to change.
All right.
The call for front. 4 nurses ejina ho. Ba ko pe ni nim me. 3 na kan no mu nim. Me call nurse no. Now you are challenged with our electronic medical record system. Madam, good morning. Good morning. That's her. Good morning. And I'm saying,
Kasano, Okuta phone.
And I'm saying, have you perchance told the patients why they are having to speak to this one?
You're actually no. Or say anyway in Kasa. Why you him cry?
And the one that you need me to be phone no. Sir, the chief executive is talking to and I'm so go and do what I have asked you to do. Oh, yeah, no. I'm Busa needing. na do him phone me beside the boy and I'm saying I'm report home director of nursing at 9 a.m. prompt. I want to see Ono me director of nursing in my office.
Our office.
So buy na news. Guess what his reason was? And I mean say Ono CEO.
Do you have to know me?
That is what the average patient goes through on a daily basis. People like you. Yes.
So saying a patient not your born nurse.
Yes.
4D.
Yes. Because I have got very fantastic nurses, very professional nurses. But when you back the clinics, let's start it. The clinic start time at 8. 10:30, 10:15. I think that's at and then at 8:30 because of operational challenges. The clinics have started. The doctors are there.
To but to hospital was me no pa me bedru anwumre 6
Confanoche dey wo there
and then papa aduan no bibia
say obekọ confanoche na obeche. It will not be because clinic now started.
They because process
the volume of patients available in the But man, we haven't gotten there yet. There's a lot of work for us to do.
Okay, maybe.
Fortunately, I have one more year to do.
Maybe. My main kind message is, my name is Mary, old student of Confanoche. In fact, what the CEO is saying is very true. In fact, I like his leadership style and I'm learning from it because one day we're going to be a leader. God will protect him and give him wisdom. Some will not like him for what he's doing, but God is his protector. In fact, that's the attitude of most of my colleagues. In fact, I like this CEO. Good morning. Kindly use this opportunity to advise all CEOs, MMDs, and all government appointees and heads of our various to learn from Professor Adea Mensah. We are suffering all because of greediness and hypocrisy. I'm a concerned citizen. Omanhene, I like the CEO of CAT. His young, confident, humility and expertise and experience are good for CAT. I want to make myself available to support. I'm an experienced business development consultant and would like to meet you as a anyway. Emmanuel Badu at Confanoche Teaching Hospital. You see, these are people who are not afraid to mention their name to you. It speaks volumes.
Yes, it is because
say Kobe sending message about I'm also refrigeration air condition unit. Our CEO, he's an action man. The 13th month, that is what he wrote. We are enjoying it. Wow, that is motivation.
Make I say one of my friends, Lawrence Ozeju, or a pediatric oncologist, and a friend Mozart.
Yeah,
and at the day, Bubu says his own friend saying. And I'm saying, I don't care what you call me, as long as the job gets done. That's all I want. And you would see me, many orderlies, security, everybody.
Now from so and
they are away. One of my madam, we were friends even before I left for KNUST. My man is stressed. A friend, chief, no, chief, I come the car up him. Meanwhile, only the beauty of all this. We really see that energy in back at the area. I have because we BNC. And it's because they understand that
there is no personal attacks.
There is no bad blood. And Unima, I have forgotten to say this. Kwame Frimpong. He's my pillar.
Kwame.
Yes. Kwame Frimpong, Director of Administration, Deputy Director, PME Ato, Bempamo. Man, these are only young. Director of Administration, Kwame Frimpong. These are,
and they are moving with you like speed.
Look, everybody, we are together, and I keep telling them, Mr. Remo, so on permasem crowd if I not all. Let's execute this task. I'm on secondment.
Back to
yes, I live at KNUST in the bungalow KNUST gave me.
Where is CEO to?
Oh, me buy no. They don't have a bungalow for a CEO. It's rent to be. The cost was going to be 156,000 cedis for 2 years, and so I'm finishing. I don't see Debbie. I want to stay where I'm staying. I'm so your security profile has changed. And then in Kika, I'm saying make the place safe. The only thing that has been done in my house, yes, sir, you did 2 security day, 2 security night. That's the only thing that has been done in my house.
I'm a parent, not a staff. I took my child to the pediatric unit. The nurse was not attending to us, but immediately the nurses heard the CEO was coming. Come and see Omanhene. Please tell him to talk to the nurses at the children's unit and the doctors to come earlier to change their shift. Okay, Obisoso the way about. Thanks so much, my CEO. I know you are doing great. God rich you, Faustina, healthcare assistant. Look at healthcare assistant, not even a nurse. Good morning. I'm really enjoying your conversation with CEO. Where is he actually from? I'm sure he's not a Ghanaian.
Me papa free dinner say. And me mama is free tikrom.
Free adjunasi tikrom asantini ba. Omanhene, this man sitting before you is a messiah to Konfanoche. I don't know why they couldn't bring him till now. And until Onyankopon bibia times and seasons. Good morning, Omanhene. Can you please tell Chief to kindly give at least a pharmacist to the ICU? Almost omope pharmacist for ICU.
If you ask me,
I said, I almost said, men can't say, omu here pharmacist for ICU. You know, Chief say, if you ask him, good morning. I was not 8 a.m. It was not 8 a.m., but senior doctors were at post already working. Or see, for the washrooms at the wards, every 30 minutes, I see them cleaning the place. Is there a way to make payments very, very close to the ward? Because sometimes the queue at the Fidelity standpoint is long.
And my first official meeting as a CEO was on the 14th of December. Mr. Tejuma 1st of December. 14th of December, I was in Parliament to defend the hospital's budget.
Okay.
Then after the budget defense, I went straight to Fidelity. And the first conversation we had, there were in fact 2 things we discussed. The first one was, I did not think that it was proper in this day and age. That was the first discussion. The second discussion, the renovation of the old block. I can want them in a jiffy. Those were the 2 things. And like I'm saying, it is now possible for you to sit here
and pay via Momo,
and nobody reduces our queues.
The Padome go. Tenuan say me na dawa. No I catch them say
the details
amount. Never send the call. Me here say me call say you don't need yi obi or hospital nya. Excellent.
Because when you say na sika o phone so kra na ko do agi say u pe baby sika
ko baby ko yi sika no kra nsa na wa betua se sia e ko machine ni mu straight and you don't no wonya ntwobo
obi a handle
fiscal cash no wo yi bi a she bag nim and o ebi su bedwa o
we ni na mu dwa toilets na
aman for gigi 50%. Aman for dwa o no obi ntwobo no. All right, now let's get to Hill Konfanoche. Okay. Why Hill Konfanoche?
In 1695, one Friday, 4th year, Obri Konfo Konfanoche. No, they sword ni see from. Oh, Konfanoche wa. And no say a hot baby and Konfo Beko Akopaya Sabia. Ebe wundi power.
1695.
1695. Guess who was the Asantehene at the time? Osei the first. Inti esako ye fiada ye krora o say to buy the second buy e be this adwuma obedi no. I knew that it was divine. It's in hospital in 1954. I started operations 1955. It was almost 70 years. Omanhene, it has not seen any major renovation. Renovations alcohol has been haphazard and uncoordinated.
Word.
Inti anka ye bia na me ya kan say so one here you see a piano tiles wa say bathroom tiles grab no be aba ne dey what
yeah artistic impression of what will happen. Fama me why na amanfo hu say yeah renovation ni we are what Konfanoche will look like
me dey be ma enti dey see and say went round and I noticed that on any day, 7% use washroom whilst going on rounds. Omanhene, me use washrooms never wards Nibian. And I'm saying PM Rano. Now, Jimmy.
Sompa FM. Washroom never wards.
Washroom never wards.
Over Kohaba Nacho.
Now, Jimmy, why?
Ubia Bones or Akujana.
Aye, Ubia Behu. Say, the Okoye man, Koye. I don't know. Inti, the air and they said, Mammy, 1 second.
Oh, any commoner and delay.
Mate, inti. Na eye bebia obeko bia sanity bebia obeko bia sanity na say so me call yen so sebi preduasa opanyini bi ba beda ho. I think it was in early January or late December. Opanyini beda ho. Opanyini ba yen omanpanyin na do danko akufo ado his excellency eba behwe no ewo ade chinye ikrura ezo ba hoba behwe ikrura hu me no and I say say me ka say me be ya na yesi nkofo bi
sorry tia
no koso na yi wadwuma na mse biura adwuma na adi no so wo be ya minim se wo be ya ena idi nkomo kakra efa old block no so ono ano odnani ehu na mka che ni so ene mehwe de meye na abribia no wano
abane na ase
nti I put together a team. Samia Boakye, PWD for regional boss, architect, Iceman, Jerry Uzo Ansa of JB Homes, Royal Masolo Puku Ajimai.
That's right.
Omanhene Boakye, Marilyn Mausi, senior nursing officer. Kwame Frimpong.
That's right.
Speaks for the group. Jesse, we put
a team together.
For director of finance. Also one careful.
And all the
others.
Yeah, more than
the proposal was developed. And inya kwenya esa call, you know. Maybe a chief executive it is 6 months and Sunday they make a coach up him so 6 months. But within those 6 months, na me makon home plane. So because na yakwa say wa betina akonya so e wo konfo anoche na kurura
onko na ase dabi
we say we want to mean sorry nko but I had gone to see him twice and no say in famra na di obeye nie as part of the 25th anniversary celebration.
Yes sir
konfo anoche ning enti manfa brochures ni we had developed a brochure. He was so happy but sad at the same time when he saw the state.
Then you dey konfo na chia ye do
those on no
and a better
can say or buy usually so he ba you be frame ya catch them say or he ba hosabre but on 2 occasions there ya frame ya catch them
or buy abra wa mo amanye
onu ad nani
chanjama man for crime so on never
onu ad nani ba be
wow
it no ka say na tie na mo sorry amoyem na so ho say so Jordan na share that fiada the 10th of November. So on one kasaba betena konyo. There were a lot of people who didn't believe.
So beba.
But on him, he showed leadership. He showed wisdom. He showed genuineness and showed love for Nemai. And I was touched. There's a lot for all of us to learn from
there.
Kura.
Yeah.
On say, in fact, he had a reason not to come, and there were many of us in the team who felt that I
on to member
was one me catch and say mia meba now him program is started 11 o'clock. Guess when a crew drew 5 minutes to 11. Yes,
you don't mean it.
Yes. Ask anybody who was present on the day.
No, I can meet no mama Dubako
abono
amama shashe na
program program no wow, and I was thrilled. Now ne ho do the MPs, and you will notice that it had no political coloring. No political coloring.
Now, so on incommodate, I know ni Muntakampo.
Yes.
And I need Muntakanti way, a bear fair, way.
Eugene Boakye, fantastic. Sir, Confanochi is in the best.
Yes, so be.
Me call no Nico Din come say we Ofafro no freeway, Ofafro no freeway, Ofafro no freeway, Ofafro no freeway.
So be I involved.
Yes. And the people who are coming forward. Oh man, every day no come actually. Many people are coming.
Ah, just say be move.
1 block, 1.2 million. And now be a car. Ye roof no. All the beds.
New beds.
Yes. Access control doors. Into only quite also at the time be a ultimate.
That's a baby in a state of the art.
Say what we want to do with Confanoche is to put Confanoche in a state that compares favorably with any ward anywhere in the world. I have seen healthcare being practiced in the US, UK,
so be a doctor,
Belgium, Holland. Around water, you see it. Okokosra will be a home. There's a washroom now. People use it. We'll be using it comfortably. But all that, a bit me can be for Confanoche after the renovation has taken place. And there's an advisory board in place. Here, lawyer Maxwell Opoku Ajima Edro, lawyer Yaboafo, Papa Ransford, CCC, Dr. Kweku Otin. Okay. Oversight responsibility over committee for no. It is to ensure transparency and accountability.
And Kobasa Sikasa Bibi and
Enfra Confanochi Sikani Diafra. Sometimes Diafra out here say a separate account. A war. Now,
when is the project taking off?
Project no. In fact, say before the end of the month. In fact, and also now more responsible for the roof. Next week, and go for Twitter, Matthew Opoku Prempe, senior.
It's about 2 billion.
200,000 Ghana cedis. Yes.
Now, she knows I'm coming to me about
Justin Kodia
about weekend. Yeah, I'll catch them so about my penny for a year. Now, I'll be Munina, so everyone.
Eugene Entry has made good. Muntaka has made good. The pledge.
That's our mama, John Manumo. Oh, now who could join what you're for?
Now, sir, the Oina can say, Ubi Obe redeeming be I for listening.
Yes. The Amoshe, the artistic impression, you will come for Nochia. The Amoshe, the TV, so
where the artists there be. Say, yes, special ward, you know, for emergency war. So,
send an ewo city.
We will say, Confanoche in its present state, no, a byproduct of years of lack of maintenance. There's a maintenance policy, a maintenance plan imbibed in the project.
Now I imagine after about 2 years, now Confanoche, now will be not seeing it here. And Tina, short code no say.
Star 776 star
776 star
1955.
1955. No, it's a die share Confanoche 1955. Star 776 star 1955 hash.
And we are all networks. And a mobile money
number no.
0544
MTN.
1955-25.
And also so yeah, Adea Akye Abia shall any otum for 25th anniversary.
Merchant line no 1955-25.
Merchant line 1955-25. Confanoche ashase any open so 25th anniversary
OBD. Now Fidelity bank account, CD account, any dollar account.
USD.
Any
na ne guso no. Eti wo de guso ya no tro ne ntem. Tie me. Unim dai. Ubetwa hwe. Na utwa hwe so a unim hospital ai de ubekọ. Because me why am any premier asem na betwa hwe a between gasa mo fa me kọ Confanoche. Mo fa me kọ private hospital. Dabi. De on ebeba obi trim sa abre no obetam wakoto o. Tise honya na keka se tua na wantua bia.
Usually it's the first
inclination that comes to mind.
Confanoche.
And a private hospitals no kra eyire so a ye bo abomu a
Confanoche.
Enunti obi a said say ye ne opem so ebe ka bom ye ne CEO be ka bom na yetimi ama komfo anoche star 776 star 1955 hash 0544 1955 25 momo chatum oko bank fidelity say o ba betua hill komfo anoche
account name near hill komfo anoche
wo de oko asimpacho besem betua bi hill komfo anoche see you
bro
me ma kasa nwa binim say ye twel
but there's one
there na wo ka twato
say miniano don't cease criticizing because in criticisms ena ibetimi akoyanim
okay
I'm not insulated from criticism. I thrive when I'm criticized, albeit constructively.
And to say so for my minchu anim na me hu bibia men kama obi ante
actually me said look Adea we are we
enkoye
we are we Adea we yes he say what to say sometimes yeah na information asymmetry information I may work as chief executive officer
ebia na there may be one difference
I na we need some information
ebi so na o ma me kan no kra bi anchero okay
nti compare notes say mum in fact Maminkawi the first doctor I'm suspended no first doctor I'm suspended me te say obisi waka ebi kra no ankasa omusi o ebe say o NDC ni entina then they realize that obifu from so about no see MPP ni pa ono so go through the process
so atwe na so and afo obi aka na no tumu
we call for nurses ni say ask my target you because the more queries and when the leadership came to my office na me queries say their doctors
obi aka na no tumu
at the staff there ba mo be kind say infitiase no na ye almost say metumi ni esi almost but they have come
to realize
very considered conclusion say there be
onyi
second defend no
etwa prefer yes no trade ampon say onton supangu ayusuna de wakane messages aba me kasa me kan ayenko na I also want to say this that they've made me proud. I fought on this station. Kamajene
wo kwa mitanku sometime on masema sometime akan o se o hwe mi CV no cement mi anya je se kofa bruni ma ne babe me te se wo kan wa ha se di pakro na o mo so o mo pɛ no o mo fa di CV mra ne enfa ntoto ho se ne dia ne ye chen ya de mensa dia ye enfa adwuma ne ma o no that's when people kept quiet and I knew se sebi nyame anya madum na nkoya mun nyina magu mani wase.
That's right.
Because you are important stakeholders in my life.
That's right.
Me ya de ne nkoya be ka se won ye ka mo me enka na mo ti radio
so Omanhene to na anum den I'm proud.
I see this position as an opportunity for me to state the case of the relatively younger folk in the system. That when given positions of responsibility
to younger folk, you betimi aye. Nyame Sompa. Dr. Mensa. Me mo ache mo akwaba. Oh.
I'm very impressed.
Aye.
Seriously.
Oh, I just am good to. Now we see messages no. So me kasa me kan ni nyina so a. Me hu nipa ba ko ho no ma wo say oh nya na semo.
Oh my uni.
It is Dr. Mensa born adwuma.
Aha. So I say this edi Mensa no. Edi Mensa no to me be dey akira. Say so be the Mensa.
So Adea Mensa.
And Dr. Mensa. Na edi Mensa no to me be dey akira say nyame boa woda wo de adwen papa te akira. Oh.
Let them all call.
Nyame be so mu.
I'm not surprised I was so the Mensa. I hear it go out of.
I say oh my openi sasa edi na chi ne ye na me ya na mani age ho se obia tumi a edi wachiri ye bia no se nipa no nyame di wachi oboa ma obi bia
ko nanim
enti adope Dr. Mensa nkra to a me de amma be na eboso me enseni no eno ana me sa atimu ne wo mo asasabo ni di wo machi asem ya were hopi o ma hwe ye ka ade bi wono da ho pefi obia nam ho yeyi onkwa ade ba na sei enti e basa na wo no ha se onkwa na ase nyame ama oyie o complaints bebrebe ni nyira ne se o die di wachi no onya wachi de die je se opam no anu da man kasa asem we me say ewi ase nyame bo bibia si ho no na achiwade enso bata ho eni so wa hunu sa ade na obebre so ho bibia nyame bo bibia he enipa yen yachiwade pa na yachiwade pa na obi a oni ni huni ni ehuni yachiwade eni so wuni huni a wonche pi ubewu tie ni ye pa o eni ese se obi a oburu no ho futukuko ni na setena no onya yale mpa no so da because ne dem bon na sebe ne mpa kwara won siesie su ye na setena mu nyina no ase enoma ema yale nko na oje wonche pi ubewu enti yen ya chiwade ni fin nipa bia chiwade no sa na honhom bi pese be hawa o chiwade honhom a bre nipa se ema sasabo ni bedi wachi na babo enkoye ni sa no manoma ni nyina omo wachi wade ebi wo ada no manche wo se banche aban wo banche bia utwa de twentwe na wo da mu a sa efie wura no omu ntimi kora emo abi efra mu fie wura wo man wo mu nye wo mu ye bad papa bebre esum efa se hunhum mu no omo ye niwa
achieve no
omo be hye wo niema de ko
sanete
sa mo ani bi nye na wo ma aboa ne keke
de etimi wo mo pa e banchi bio
banchi dua banchi nka ye ntuni se ye dua na ye ntuni tu banchi dua de sen wo dem ha
utwa ne sa
utwa no sa
na de atwentwe na 4 corners
oman obeje di menka adansi ye mea suahu na omo wo ba bia me wo pa me dem nyina omo ba ena me bo doctor man na me nse bi owo ade a ode be ma me se me mfa nko
no se ko twa banchi dua
no se banchi dua oman utwa de si corners no see Thursday no na 6 awuda banchi dua na se if you obisi ne oman emwani bi ma ho piu me hu bi da
oman na banchi na ye kana asem sam ahemfo tenase a banchi ni nyanya ene ye tihye omboto mu a omuntimi nyonso
nyanya na ego mu
sa na tie enti wa bene se de obi bu banchi na ye fe na debo no no odi jamu se ya oman obejojo banchi na ye fe na debo no what the way you free ade amede che obi a
nipa no fi se wa
se wo no de wa bere utumi tu onko oye bibia anye
wan kasa ngusukra wo de o fe jam no
jam banchi debo no bi fe jam no kwa na hwe de ebesi ontimi nya bibia bi wa bere na se da no me sa kan sa asem ya kire ejata wi ase obi o yisu motia konfo na de na djuma oba afafuru na ojonso gu adiem na wo se won de wa bene ya bibi enye ya oba Johnson de wanyinsen ne Johnson tugu no so se ne konfo ne motia no betimi na ya djuma bi wa enti de me pesa me kire no ye se bibi e wo wiase bia wo na chiwade a wo de kana entimi nya bibi what ya se eni se sasabo ni bedi wo bi achi a age sa udwale sasaduro na no no nya boni o wo kwa sole kora adwale aduro da bia sa se we meka me se wo ye mistake na se tumi bi how na e wo se udwale nyanya habae o so udwale tame awu o so udwale kwa atema ana habae bia etimi de bere tumi bi ase na wa anwale na wotena ho ametumi ni di unya na makwala o guessing asem na be say wa mama ye bread the full work pa o o my makwala ba akwazo no was dog my bread the full work pa na na bread the full work na de oh enti masem tietia anse nipa bia wo se odi yie e wo so asetrem na somdwe bem so na emu manya kwanbone so de wodi adwale aduro na wadwuma asem nya yie wasetrem asomdwe mrem na obi bia osika se munyina obi adwuma so kwa na yekofom e wo se udwale sasaduro asam na etie me na me nipa ba ako a menyi bibia ni wo wiase o Omanhene wadwuma wo ye kura so me bre o sasaduro dwale bi ensuro obi a se o ya adwuma na se o dom mu a wo wadwum de o se o ya ade
e ko fo wo
enso ne do bebe obi wa tag wo pe wo ogu adi mu ase endi se o ya obi a openi kura se mekwa koma na duru because adwuna wo de eba no correct enti wo ho me de ne se ba bia enipa o wa wo ya dwuma wa wale emu wo ba bi kura si so afi na wo ba enso still no tumi se mema fa na efa no obi wo kura otimi be ma ne tena bia emfie no emfie nsia na be ma na wo no ko achi
no aja no
akofa wo fro saa na ye wa sasa di wachi ntra enti masem tietia no ena de etoso bio ye wo mo kasa emu bon
Omanhene asem we meka na bebiri na no mo sere be ma wo wale oba na so de kwotena oba ne papa fi ya na ne maame fi a na ebi ahokyire ntra ana ebi ama ya mo de na mo nwieye ende bi ama kwotena ho be mo so ma ne mo tena ho 3 months
no fie miensa
Dabi aseba de ase no wani mo agu ase bebiri
wo de wo ka 3 months
3 months na so
da ho no 3 years
eno make no
oba na e tuma ne no wale chiba onte
wani mo agu ase dada na woni mu ntra 3 months oda so te waji fi wani mo agu ase dada na saa de we ti se obi a na no mu bon obi a wodu mu bon bia se 3 months enyi mfiri ho a wani mo agu ase dada na woni mu ntra enti hwe Dr. Mensa chiri kwa na mo a halitosis yale ya ewo wo yamu ya o kasa atimu se enka wom wo wura bi da bia meka me se wo be ye CCTV camera o me fi wo mai onum adwuma pa wo da ho najo a etwa clear ba bia obi hye ne ka mu kula
ensoso
etimi ensoso na nanu mu bon enti wo kasa mpa ehia kire me a doctor mpa che o metiasem se o metie kasa nanu mu bon ntra enso onum adwuma pa na meka che o wie ya na me se hwe wunim anka wo benya adwuma pa but wo num bon enka wo num ntime boa wo se doctor habetimi aboa me makon yale we emfi aduonu ni 20 years o my man na duro 3 days per one te kankan bia bio no eh senti ne efra doctor one day oh na ni nyina ne say uni bibi hunim de ne ye ka ho asem a wo be gye ho achi enti me de ne say obi enka wo no hwe Dr. Mensa chiri kan de etwa to a o ma me wi a ma wi say yale aka de mo amunum say Dr. Mensa ye ho adwo now enkofo ma say pa enu bone nom na do so
ensa
eja wa adwo wo mo num no bone esai nti wa wo batete na makola ya wie school pon kese na akwara na hase num no bone e de ne besie wo bese kwara enti hwehwe Dr. Mensa chiri kwae na ya mani no bone adura e betimi aboa na masa no bone a onum ni nyina no ontimi mfa bi nka na no biu ba ku bi kura de me ama hedato ne din se e friend all season wo de fra na bia ne mani dia me kan bibia se woti ade ne sente pe no wofe na ho adanse de eye bebrebe he me fon adanse record de nkofo de aba na ya mempe ndi one time ba producer say adanse o ho anam se da bi bebre ne sam he enso me yemmo ni nyina ne say yenim wa na yenim enti wo ba ukunu wo yere wo de hie bi wo num no bone amade na duro no akwasi Mensa asem ni bi abamu na afi hwen wo de Dr. Mensa Herbal Clinic your number na a good screen so mo amho TV no
okay
and afa so mo amho tie radio no ya the number na be tudwa jata wi awa ha wo de tudwa ma ho nye ha na twere number ne ntem na nyame ya dom obefa yeso na
ya mo so da ya mre no
Muma yenti Dr. Mensa number no aye 0244 92 12 69
0244 92 69
and 027 11 73 551 027 11 73 551 number we see Dr. Mensa adwum number upusu ahmaya obi abitimi afa no be kasa 0532 92 80 95
twi yeni Guinness depo no di hwani mu na nkana pumpuni manta mu nso no ya owura kana bi Japan akompre kwa abro san na se e o Medina Zongo Junction na ye delivery service in the baby awo bi a ofre na ebetimi de adu ni bi abrew
that's right
na ya kire okwan abefa so na wa send usika e de aba na ye adwuma pepepe o ma ya wie na masem tia wa me di twato nse opani na asem na obekan na ka makoma pa yenso ye bekwa kotua ye de aboa
that's right
because ya anya ne say nye yi
anya kra
because ye wura kuro wura aka na ya adwenje bekwa kotua na me betie ne nsem na no na say
papa na ye de sika na ko hye ne say
enti yen ye bekwa kotua de na se wotua ma receipt
touch o baby bia kama
bekwa kotua na ade receipt brepem no
da chonso de aka say
na
so contribution
idu ma da say na be say share bi
okay yan show na odi wona woda no property electronics for and I said property electronics and omode air conditioner ye inverter say Wi-Fi aba omo the chest freezer, deep freezers, microwave ovens, washing machines, so nomne niema ahodo nyinara aba. Na se wonya saa niema bia ye property na eche. Sounds so and a boy chuma. Microwave oven, word blend, bibi bia. Anopay. Fresh 0500309309 0500309309 and 0244 266 193 0244-266-193. Sunyane ubahuya ewo Cocoa Board runabout. Yani o terminal ni di hwanimu. Kumase ye mienu new Malcolm adum pick and pay chain hono aye bie showroom. And a Wesley Matters usane a triangle no SD Karam Kwantimpo mo ubahu property to Papa Preko Tony Sack Electronic Diaba Prince Kodia Dako incoming assemblyman for Busia Crew Electoral. Yes, na yawa woda. Okofo Techi Philip Jr. of Aguna SDA. Also, Enayawa woda Keche Obi Linda Pia na Ella Nisafo aso motikwa. Rich Media from your son Bolare of Pankrono. Enayawa woda Rich Media. Florence of Asante Aguna Keche Obi so motikwa. Perpetual Donko of Multi Credit Edum. Yabo amase o motikwa. Perpetual hey. Honorable Jeff Kwadwo J. Oware, Obuasi East MPP chairman. Okay. Yabo amaso motrinkwa. And a sweet sister Priscilla Opokwa Friye. Yeah, akodogra. Happy birthday to you, Prissy. Enjoy the day to the max. Priscilla Opokwa Friye. The daughter of the late Opokwa Friye. Okay, Priscilla, happy birthday to you. Manabel Ousu Edu Nyameche. O parents so maltrinkwa. Nana Ajua right. Nana Ajua right. Happy birthday to you, Nana Ajua right. Okay. Madam Amo Usua of Swami Magazine. Shraba Fashion Pankrono say happy birthday. Ebenezer Jonah Osempakani of Abusia FM. Osempakani now want to say Yamatrin no paper, trading up on Shroud, non tone quandem. I hope the entire media in Ashanti says happy birthday to you, Osapakani, Ebenezer Yaw Jonah. Fidaus Mohammed Fidaus. Yo, Fidaus with Yao, and no. From Doctors of 21st Clinic, Fidaus. Ohima Amafusia Spendula of Boating. From your mama Amma saying a happy birthday to you. I was here for me Jimmy this Ghana. See you come on near BDA in the dance here pepe say. Yenya your warm hano. See a bit to me. I and your Sefata a bit to me the institution if he's saying a crack on him. Just a message is keeps coming and coming and coming. And all munina some more kind of say thank you, see you, thank you, thank you. Just say Obia Philly part of Comfanoche. And I think say near Santamera, they are 2 years in Nimuno. Young kind of humbum. Oh, Ghana have a beer fana bebia. Oh, Sunyani, I wouldn't da. Yabe boa bombo si and famra Comfanoche. Oh, 3 months, 12 regions, and I refer Eba Comfanochi. Ghana hospital be any bisa, and until pay star 776 star 1955 hash star 776 star 1955 hash. Momo number is 0544 1955 25. It's a very unique number. Now, Oko Fidelity Bank, so I will say, I want to pay into Hill Confanoche account. Either dollar with a Swift code, you need the amount, 100 branch, and now say, UTS cities. Go and pay your dues. Because you never know when you will need medical care at Confanoche Teaching Hospital. Mama, my artistic impression of you. de I say ayi abrantie bi na ababa bi ata say toys no ha me kan sala now they imagine say wa kokonfo anochi na bed a woda so ni ene ko hwe enye abampani nanado yire ene obeye maternity ward ba akubi na ka tse ne ema ne de da ho ene kura nso bi afa ho di twa ntwobo ho de da fom ogo ese si a omo ba hospital a omo be omo nkrofo sa time no ye na Kennedy Japan se ne ode mattress ko ma omo a omo betimanya ba bia da we nyina di adanse se ye ka ehu bomu a ye betima ye bibi aban ne chefa ho de aminim say ani wo de bi aka aban ne pa cause never was say ko konfadochi onye enso be ndey omo anso so nkrofo a na abetua sika kese pa MPs amu aye donation nyame shramo DCs nomne ade assembly members Ghana for sika for kukudam amu yi ntoboa no wo so kakra no opem so se 100 Ghana obeji 10 series obeji 20 million obeji $1 million obeji obia ketwa ti mo amotete montena mo semhunu na mo bo ba adamo a mo te o se asante hiri jiji ni mindful sika e de esi ayi ukrom hiri se wo tumi no wa hode a onye bi na yese nkrofo kra be fi no a mo nya semhunu na mo di no social media no region bia wo hiri kese o ho se otu sa na mo no a ka woni baabi anka bedu opem so se to abia santimera mepegya mu ye tawachi ye be ye konfo anoche so fe na 25th anniversary no so ye di ni pampe wa santima mu a ye wura piao abusia fo be di mu si ha sa so e na me